Hey, what's it going, guys? It's Hypercube, and today I'm going to be showing you how to put together your 3x3 that has fallen apart. Before we get started, if you have any questions, just leave them down in the comments. Be sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for future uploads. Okay, so jumping right into it, the first thing I'm going to show is how to take your cube apart first, if it's not already apart. And if you only want to know how to put it back together, you can go to this time. So right away, what you want to do is you want to take at least one of these center caps off, and if your cube is very tight, you want to grab a screwdriver and loosen up one of the sides so that it's easier to take the pieces out. The simplest way to start taking it apart is to rotate one layer 45 degrees, which is like this. Then you want to take the edge piece and pull it out. And it might be have a lot of lube on it, so you want to make sure you have maybe a towel to wipe it off. So then you take the corners out and just keep taking it apart. So now that the cube is apart, you want to grab maybe a wet cloth, or what's best is like some disinfectant wipes to wipe off all of the icky cubing lube that's in there, because it'll get all over your fingers and be nasty and gross. Once you have all of the pieces cleaned off so they're nice and shiny, you want to separate the pieces into the core, the edges, and the corners. Once you have them nice and separated, you want to take the core, and let's start with the white and green. So I'm going to look around for the white and green edge piece. Yep. So you find this, and you want to like pull the centers apart so that the edge can slide in there. Be careful because it will probably try and pop out. So you want to find the next one, which is the white and red. So the white and red is right here. So again, you want to kind of pull the center and put the edge in there so it makes kind of like a L shape. Now you want to find this corner piece that goes here, which is the white, green, and red. It's this one. So you want to slide that, put the corner stock in there, and put it in there. It'll help if your cube is magnetic, but if it's not, that's perfectly fine. So now we want to go and put this edge in, which is the red and green. Red and green. And then put it in there. Make sure that it doesn't make the other pieces fall apart, so you put like your fingers behind it so it doesn't just pop out. So now you have this like little 2x2 block there. So the next step would be to find the white and orange, which is this one. I'm going to do the same exact thing. Pull the center piece apart so it's easier. Make sure it's right in the center so it doesn't fly out, and that'll be that. White, orange, and green corner piece goes there, which is this one. Put the white corner going down. Now the green and orange. Boop. So now we have this like 2 by 3 by 2. So now you want to keep doing that until you get to the fourth one, which is the white and blue. white and blue. So you want to put it over here, centerpiece, and then rotate it down so that it kind of makes the white cross like you do in the solving method. You want to find both of the corners, so the rest of the white corners, put those in. So now you have the entire white side, like that. Then you want to find these last two edges, so the blue and red. And when you put this in, you have to make sure these other pieces don't fall out, because they want to. Orange and blue. So now you have the first two layers put in. So all you have is the yellow layer left. So first you want to find one of the edges. Now let's do yellow and blue. You want to pull up on the yellow center cap and try and wedge this piece in there. If the yellow is if you can't get the edge in there as easy as I did it, you want to take the yellow center cap off and then take your screwdriver and loosen it a couple turns. And then that'll make it way easier for the edge to go in. So now we want to find the two corner pieces that go right here, which is the yellow, blue, and red. Yellow, blue, red. And then you want to put it in. Next is the yellow, orange, blue. Yellow, orange, blue. And then put that in there very carefully. So now we want to find these two edges that go here, which is the yellow and red. Yellow, red. And put it in just like you did the first yellow edge without exploding your cube, so I'm going to have to start all over. Then the yellow, orange. And then we're almost done. We only have 3 pieces left. So these ones are actually the most common ones you'll take out and put back together. You don't want to put the edge in first. You want to put both of the corners in. So like this one is the yellow, green, orange. Put it in. And you want to have the cube at like a 45-degree angle when you're putting the last 3 pieces in to make it way easier. So in the other corner, put it in. So then you have 1 piece left, which is the yellow, green. Put it in. Boom! Cube is put back together and you are ready to go out and smash the world records. I hope this video helped you guys. If you had any troubles or any questions, just leave them down in the comments. I will do my best to help you as best I can. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video.